Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew for a long stay in the forest. Preparing a hearty stew is essential for sustained energy during extended outdoor adventures. We'll focus on selecting ingredients that are both nutritious and easy to transport, ensuring your meals are satisfying and practical. This step-by-step guide will help you create a delicious and energy-rich meal, perfect for keeping you fueled through many nights under the stars. Choosing the right ingredients is crucial for a successful forest stew. Opt for items that are shelf-stable and won't spoil quickly, like root vegetables and dried proteins. Pre-chopping some ingredients at home can save time and effort in the wilderness. Remember to pack a variety of spices to elevate your stew's flavor, making each meal a comforting experience after a long day of exploration. Proper preparation ensures a delicious and nourishing meal. Cooking in the forest requires adapting to your environment. Whether you're using a campfire or a compact portable stove, managing your heat source is key. A slow simmer allows the flavors to develop fully and tenderizes your ingredients perfectly. Always keep an eye on your pot and stir regularly to avoid burning, especially with thicker stews. This method ensures a rich, deeply flavored meal that's incredibly satisfying after a day of hiking. Finally, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. A hot bowl of stew is incredibly comforting and restorative after a long day in the wilderness. Savor each spoonful, knowing you've prepared a nourishing meal that will sustain you. Remember to properly store any remaining stew to keep it fresh for your next meal, ensuring you minimize waste and maximize your provisions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to enhance your outdoor adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.